St Fagans National History Museum is home to one of Britain's rarest bats, the lesser horseshoe bat. Your chances of seeing this rare bat are very unlikely, unless you visit St Fagans during the summer and take a look through our special bat camera. Most of the bats you can see here are mother bats. They return to St Fagans each year to raise their babies. They hang upside down and cuddle the babies inside their wings. The mother bats are no bigger than a golf ball. The image is in black and white because it is filmed in complete darkness using infrared lighting which doesn't harm the bats. Look carefully and you will see the babies practicing to fly. The mothers hold onto the roof with their feet and onto the babies with their mouths. This gives the babies time to strengthen their wings before they start to fly. Look at this bat. You can see that it's cuddling its wings around something. It's a baby bat hidden inside the wings. And if you look at this bat, you can actually see the baby tucked up beneath a wing. They are almost as big as their mothers. The baby bat is slightly darker in colour. As it gets darker outside, the bats begin to get livelier inside the roost. One by one, the bats will stretch out their wings and fly around the roost to exercise and warm up before going out into the woodlands to feed. The mother bats need to catch thousands of insects in a night in order to survive. This bat is rotating on its feet and scanning all around to see what's going on, see who else is flying, who might be in the roost, and looking out for predators. The babies feed on their mother's milk because they are mammals, just like us. The mothers rely on each other to look after the babies in the nursery. Some go out into the woodlands to feed, whilst others stay behind to watch the babies. Like most mums, they are very organised. Horseshoe bats have an enchanting song which you can only hear when listened to through a bat detector. We are very lucky to have these rare bats living at St Fagans, and we are committed to protecting them for all of us to enjoy. It is illegal to harm a bat or a bat's home, so if you think any bats are in danger, please contact the Bat Conservation Trust.